Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo memobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so nkrofo bebre na atwe wo ano esi TV3 for so na nini na elections declaration na wo mo metremu na obia atiase ye wo hwe de nkrofo kan TV3 for ankasa so ababontin the statement bi ababa betuja the statement in a way is an explanation and an apology statement bi was say Ghana for yebe reading Ghana for so atiase. In fact, the people speaking are very, very big people. We share the executive director of Media Foundation for West Africa. Ekubia West Africa kan West Africa nia omo ehwe media de nkrofo ye wo media so ne nyama no omo nso akasa wa asem we so kan se e wo se TV3 for sebe sa de na wo mo ye no wo mo ba bonten ebe apologize properly. TV3 for former worker bia ye friend Bridget Otu ono nso abaye video for the very first time twa abo TV3 se de wo mo ye no ndiambwa na nini na election results yi now. Omo Ghana has said him say the first media house, the very first media house to project say President Akufo-Addo ena win 2020 elections no ene MPP na win parliamentary seats no TV3. Omo na the first media house ena womo a project here womo na ba bonten first ebeka say Akufo-Addo win MPP nso win parliament. TV3 forecast say MPP win parliament with 149 seats. Embra womo ka say President Akufo-Addo win no. O say MPP win with 149 seats. And NDC ono nso wotechi with 126 seats. Asemwa TV3 for kind no. That time it was contrary to what the NDC were also saying because now NDC for so can. So womu na win majority in parliament. Womu so na win a presidential no. In TV3 for be can sa no. A lot of MPP people took TV3 for projection no and now womu spread because TV3 is a credible or is a known credible TV station in this country. Listen to this very well. In the MPP for so far, I'm not adding them. And my MPP for so can say, TV3 for declare. In fact, I'm not TV3 for declare, you know, on Twitter. Now MPP for a share link, no. Say TV3 for a project. When we declare, say MPP winning, MPP winning. And that means, can say the reality on the ground, and they say, NDC has 137 parliamentary seats. MPP also has 137 parliamentary seats, which is completely different from the projection TV3 gave. When him say, the media house Emma projection, most of the times, a bim pepepe. In the end, TV3 for project here say MPP winning 149 seats. NDC winning 126 no. Attending out say MPP winning 137. NDC so winning 137 no. A complete different thing. Ne can nkrofo use media house nibi. Ediomo example say NDC for mo dem sorry mo say yan isi na area media house for nso won nkrofo. In fact event saying information minister Kojo Opon Nkrumah wono kra kasa asem no what the asem kan embra wo be press conference no wo say NDC for say isi ewie mu amaye now so social media house ho wo so de omo representatives bia ekwo constituencies nini na into media house kra no e bia wo kra wo figures ne kra no e be credible kra say nkrofo bebrede because they have their reps in the constituencies as someone Kojo Opon Nkrumah kan no. And it was a way to solidify the fact that yes, media house they have representatives into a more quality results now. It is not really that different from EC. It has always happened in this country. The media house air quality, it is not different from EC, no. It is a TV3 air bar bonti abe project this idea we say MPP winning with 149 seats, NDC with 126. No, a lot of people thought say well TV3 for more for grounds so into no correct. But it turns out that TV3 deceived the whole nation. Omaba bonti ababe edensem ababa betuja. Now, me person me read this statement at TV3 for edebetuja me West Africa ekuo no nso nsɛm a wɔn ɛka executive director wɔ country TV3 no nso no mema wate ase wɔ se TV3 for nsɛm a wɔn train wɔ se the projections which were made were not in any way intended to be the definitive result of the elections. It must be noted that the projections were changed from time to time as we received new information which were analyzed. TV3 for asama wo mo kan say projections abo mo make ye no na eni kwan say ye fan say ye dito na projections no as time eba no na esesa. But you see, that's one thing. Elections ya debia meka, it is the soul, the sweat and heart of people. So all the projections we beto abonte na work as esesa debia na o be sesa ne sana. Masa, you are hurting people o. Obi na kuma di echi o. Wa ba abonte aba be project say nipa we winning with this number of seats. Na fe be ka trend say oh results ne ba na wo analyze no na wo sesa. Meanwhile say nipa kro no the political party asha say the ibo say wo krum. Why? Because TV3 for more announce it. You wanted to be the first to announce it. So what announcing na fe we hu say mistake a mistake. Me can say ani na results ne ba ni yesesa ne kakra. Unim say be ba na wo sesa ne kakra. And then I go announcing in the first place. I just don't understand. The entire answer one more kindness was say our election coverage was not intended to favor any political party or candidate, and any contrary perception is deeply regretted. Maybe this part or say our election coverage was not intended to favor any political party or candidate, and any contrary perception is deeply regretted. We take this opportunity to assure our audience and other stakeholders, including political parties, of our continued commitment to provide balanced and impartial reportage. TV3 for say coverage na wo moye ewo election so no say eyade bia ekotia political party bia momfa bo bone enche omo na enye die na wo mo pese wo mo beye eno no na wo mo take opportunity we e de akatre Ghana for ene wo mo audience say sisi ade omo the report bia e ba abonten a wo be make sure say e balanced and impartial asema TV3 for air no. So in a way they are admitting say well report na wo de buy no e kwachia ya Ghana for yen for mo bon enche omo. So in a way I mean they are apologizing. Now the TV3 Media Foundation for West Africa, the executive director IFN Sulemana Brahma, what they say tuja our country TV3 for what they should do. Now, what say the TV station must admit say we more rashi in wanting to be the first in projecting the winner of the December 7th elections, and TV3 got it terribly wrong. Asema wa kan no results na TV3 for the kind of babonte no womunya very very wrong. I say you must admit that you rushed in wanting to be the first and got it terribly wrong. You were emphatic in the projection. What you do is to apologize and give assurance of your commitment to fact-based, unbiased reporting as we know you to be. As someone vode etu jano now, me pese yakoni eko read TV3 for statement awomu make here. They were really emphatic on their statement. Wasi, we can say for sure TV3 for asama awomu count. Wasi, we can say for sure that based on the breaking news coming through right now, 149 for the MPP and 126 for the NDC in the parliamentary results coming through in all 275 constituencies. We can make that projection here on your election command center. TV3 for journalists no Alfredo Kansi wono ena wakansa ansem way. Inti nensem no ena me phrasing the pepepe a me dia tojo amamo no. Inti but you see the whole thing is yeah. But you see, these are some of the things I told the BR. If you don't want to believe in what the NDC are saying right now, because NDC for ne can no more can say as a media for no they got, and we were all against them. We say but saying a media omutumi enya, because it has never happened in this country. Say media be projected elections that were projecting wrong. But I said the NDC for kind, at least from TV3 for Ankasa, their own apology. Mate said join news for Nso Ababontin in Semia Babetuja. Our Monso Tresa projections and one make you know they made an error. I said in some way in bar, then it is going to the direction of NDC forecast say media house for Ninano, Mokrano, muye mistake, Mokra muye say. I said ya kosa direction no. It's Bridget Otu, who is a former or was a former worker for TV3, Eba Bontin, Ebe Blasti Womo. Bridget Otu can say the main reason why TV3 got the projections wrong, and they say some of their reporters they were compromised. Instead of going on the grounds to receive information, they were receiving information from the MPP strong room. MPP strong room in so information no airbano. It favors the MPP. Oko NDC strong room or more information no favor NDC. MPP strong room so favor MPP. It is all your journalists you go on the ground. So this is what a former journalist of TV3 Waba Bontia will also be video worker. You see TV3 for the elections we mu declare as see our Waba Bontin beka se wo mu patcho no mo anya ni ye no. Ne say they were compromised and then they were receiving their information from the MPP strong room. Inti womo broadcast here ebe ye say TV3 for akọ on the grounds na womo the grounds results no eneba. Meanwhile na allegedly and na results that allegedly were coming from that of the MPP strong room. That is what a former worker of TV3 Waba Bontin Edabetuja. I don't know how true this is, but I'm going to try and comment box ni mo.